Did you know that every time you stand to pray, Shaitan goes on a mission to ruin it for you? He is not just watching you, he is actively working to distract you and make you lose focus. This is how it happens. The moment you say, Allahu Akbar, Shaitan rushes to remind you of everything you had forgotten. Suddenly, your mind remembers that email you never answered, the homework you didn't finish, the shopping list you need for later, or even the small fight you had earlier that day. These are not random thoughts. Shaitan deliberately brings them up to make you lose focus, because he knows that when you stand in prayer, you are in direct connection with Allah. Then Shaitan makes you rush. You find yourself praying quickly, not thinking about the words, not standing still. Why? Because Shaitan whispers to you that you are busy, that you need to get this over with, that there is no time to slow down. Next, Shaitan tries to make you doubt. Did I make wudu properly? Did I pray 3 rak'ahs or 4? Did I say the tashahhud right? These doubts are planted to shake your concentration and take your heart away from feeling peace. Sometimes Shaitan makes you yawn or feel sleepy. Suddenly, your body becomes heavy. Your eyes want to close. You start losing the meaning of your recitation because your body and mind are giving in to the whispers, making you careless and lazy. Other times, Shaitan plays with your pride. He whispers, "Look at how well you are praying. Look at how humble you look. Look at how beautifully you are reciting." Suddenly, you are not focused on Allah anymore, but on yourself and how you appear in your own eyes or even in the eyes of others. And when you finish the prayer, Shaitan's job is not done. He rushes to make you forget what you just said. You prayed, but you cannot remember what surah you read or what du'as you made. It becomes an empty action, one that is done physically but not felt in the heart. But here is the good news. Allah has told us about Shaitan's tricks because he wants us to defeat them. When you know Shaitan is going to attack you in prayer, you can prepare. You can slow down. You can remind yourself why you are standing before Allah. You can push away the wandering thoughts by focusing on the meaning of the words you say. You can resist the urge to rush by, reminding yourself that this moment might be your last prayer. You can humble your heart and remember that only Allah sees what is inside, not just your outward actions. And even if Shaitan manages to distract you, remember Allah is most merciful. Every time you push away a whisper, even if it comes back, you are rewarded for that struggle. Every time you bring your heart back to focus, you are drawing closer to Allah. So do not let Shaitan steal your prayer. Make every Salah count. Make it a meeting between you and your Lord, a conversation that Shaitan is desperate to interrupt, but you are determined to protect. Subscribe for more animated Islamic stories, exclusively here on our channel.